Today's topic is linear equations in one variable. You already learnt what is an equation, what is an expression in 7th class. So, what is an expression? Consider one example. 2x plus 5. This is an expression. Consider one example. 2x plus 5 is an expression. Why this is an expression? Because it has a variable, constant, and it involves with an arithmetic operation. So this is an expression. An expression has variable, constants and any arithmetic operation. An arithmetic operation means plus, minus, multiplication, division. So like that. Then what is an equation? 2x plus 5 equal to 9. Consider this example. Here this is an equation. So 2x plus 5 equal to 9 is an equation. Why this is called an equation? It has a equality symbol, equal to. 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. It involves with equality symbol, equal to. That's why this is called an equation. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 9 is an equation. Above only 2x plus 5, that is only an expression. Here 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. It has equal to symbol. That's why this is called an equation. An algebraic equation is equality of algebraic expressions involving variables and constants. An algebraic equation means an equality of algebraic expressions. That is called equation. And equation has equality symbol, equal to. And see, this equation has two sides. This is one side and this is another side. So this is left hand side of our equal to and this is right hand side of our equal to. So left hand side of equality symbol is called left hand side of the equation, and right hand side of our equality symbol is called right hand side of the equation. 2x plus 5 is on left hand side of our equal to, that's why this is called LHS, and 9 is right hand side of our equal to, that's why this is called RHS. And in an equation, values of LHS and RHS are always equal. And the equality of this LHS and RHS happens to be true only for certain values of variable x. That's why that value of x is called the solution of an equation. This is called an equation. So equations are different types. Linear equations, quadratic equations, like that different types of equations are there. So here we are going to learn about only linear equations. What is linear equation? So what is linear equation? Consider some examples. 2x minus 7 equal to 35 is one equation. 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5 is another equation. And x square plus y equal to z. These are all equations. But which equation is linear equation? We have to find out. So to find out which equation is linear equation, first we have to know the degree of the given equation. How to find the degree of the given equation? to find the degree of an equation, we have to check the exponent value of the variable. Here x is variable. What is exponent value of x? Here exponent value of x is 1, x power 1. So degree of this equation is 1. Then here 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5. Here also exponent of x is 1 and here also exponent of x is 1. So that means degree of an equation is 1 here also. Then consider this equation, x square plus y equal to z. Here exponent of x is 2, exponent of y is 1, exponent of z is 1, 1. So 1, 1, 2. 2 is bigger value. So degree of this equation is 2. So if here degree of this equation is 1, degree of this equation is 1, degree of this equation is 2. So if an equation has a degree of 1, then that equation is called linear equation. If the degree is 1 of the given equation, that equation is called linear equation. See here degree is 2. So that's why this equation is not a linear equation. About 2 equations having the degree as a 1. So about 2 equations are linear equations. That is called linear equation. Consider 2 more examples. Which one is linear equation? So first we have to find the degree of the given equation. Here x has exponent as a 2, x has 1, y has 1. That means total 2 and y 2. So total 2 is the degree. And in this equation p has only 1, q1, s1. So every variable having 1 only, so that's why degree is 1. So since this is 7p plus 6q plus 13s having degree as a 1, so that's why this equation is called linear equation. Here we call this linear equation as a simple equation. So simple equation and linear equation both are same. Next, linear equations in one variable. What is linear equations in one variable? Linear equation means any equation having degree as a 1, that is called linear equation. And linear equation in one variable means in that equation variable should be only one. Either x or y or any variable, only one variable it should contain. That is called linear equation in one variable. See, consider some examples. 2x minus 7 equal to 35. In this equation, which is variable? Here x is a variable. Only x is the variable. 4x minus 1 equal to 2x plus 5. In this also only x is the variable. Consider third example. 2x plus 2y equal to 48. Here x is one variable and y is one variable. So above two equations are linear equations in only one variable, that is x. Here this third one, linear equation in two variables, x and y. Consider last example. 7p plus 6q plus 13s equal to 11. Here degree is 1. So this is also linear equation, but consider how many variables it has. p, q, s. This is a linear equation in three variables. An equation of the form ax plus b equal to 0. It has equal to symbol, that's why it is called an equation. X is a variable, b is a constant. So, and it involves with addition symbol. So here ax plus b equal to 0 or ax equal to b, where a, b are constants and a is not equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable, that is x or simple equation. This is how we can define linear equation or simple equation.